free. I know that I should get on with my life, but a life
Balang araw, darating din yung taong pipiliin ka.
without you could never be right.
Hindi dahil sa wala siyang opsyon,
As long as the sun shines out from the heaven.
kundi dahil para sa kanya, ikaw ang best choice ng buhay niya.
Long as